So just to finalize with the login phase, let's show how to encrypt our password. So I have here, you can copy paste it, you can recycle this code. I have here a couple of functions. The first one will encrypt the password, and let me show you how it works. I'm gonna open test.php. That's where we had our connection first time. And let's insert into user someone new. Let's insert now Homer Simpson. So H Simpson at Duff. Okay. Now his password. Let's create here his password. Will be what do you want? Do like that. All right. And what we have to do is to encrypt this password so we can save it in here, right? I have a function that I'm gonna put right here, which is to encrypt. And the function encrypt will take two parameters: the string to encrypt and the key. So what this is going to do is, using this key, it will encrypt the string and it will return the encrypted string. Okay, so let's see. Let's echo encrypt, and we're gonna encrypt password. Now here's the thing, we have to choose a key, and this key, we as developers are the only ones who can know it, because with this key we're going to encrypt all our passwords, and with this key we're going to decrypt them, right? So let's choose an encryption key for this one. We're gonna write A43 EMTRG, just to have something random. Okay, so we're gonna encrypt password using this string, and we're gonna echo it. So let's see what we get. We're not gonna insert it for now. We just want to see what this will return. Echo the encryption of dough. And that is what it returned encrypted. Okay, now if you see here, I am converting some characters into other characters because I don't want to have this into my converted string, right? So I'm getting rid of that. And now this is though encrypted. If we decrypt it, echo, I'm gonna echo a break. And if I echo decrypt, now I need my function decrypt. I'm gonna bring it from here. Right, I need to decrypt what I encrypted before. So you know what? Encrypted password equals to encrypt password. There you go. So I'm gonna save inside encrypt password the encrypted password. We echo the encrypted password, and then I'm going to decrypt the encrypted password. With which key? The same key. If it's not the same key, it's not going to decrypt. It has to be the exact same key to encrypt and to decrypt. Okay, nope. Where is it? line 49, there's an error. Yeah, no, the key we invented. But it has to remain like that. You don't change it, you don't touch it. Because that's the key you're using to encrypt everything. If you change it, you will never be able to decrypt it. Ah, it didn't work. You see? We were not able to get back the encrypted password. Mm. There you go. Little error. Okay, so we echo the encrypted password, which looks like this. I mean, if someone gets access to our database and they look at this, what is that? It could be a credit card number. It could be like, let's say, credit card number 5123, like this, right? That looks like a credit card number. And encrypted looks like this. And decrypted, there you go. There's a credit card number. So what we're gonna save is save all the passwords encrypted, right? So what you can do, you can keep these two functions wherever you want. It's some functions that I created that will encrypt and decrypt. Okay, it is using a base64 encoding and something called MD5, which is an encryption mode. MD5. With MD5, we're encrypting the key. And from MD5, you cannot decrypt. Once you convert to MD5, it's changed. So we are encrypting the key. And then from MD5, we are encrypting to base64 our string using the key. And then from to decrypt the same thing. All right, so now let's see. We're going to insert now into MySQL. We're going to insert the password as the encrypted password. Right here. Let's see if it works. 960. There you go. We're gonna check the database. And there you go. We saved Homer Simpson, and it is saved as a BLOB 56. We cannot even read it. It's just like. It's encrypted, right? That's what we saved. So now we are ready to add this little part to our registration dbreg. So to dbreg, we're gonna add these two functions. Actually, these two functions, I'm gonna show you something. We're gonna create a new file called functions.php. And since we're going to be creating many functions, we're going to be using them. Include functions, and that's it all the time. Perfect. So in our DB registration, we're going to also include functions. And we are going to encrypt the password. So password will be equal to encrypt. So we're going to encrypt the password using a key. Okay, this key, I already have it inside credentials, so don't worry, it's gonna work. Inside credentials, it is inside connection. So connection is including credentials, and credentials has the key that I'm gonna be using to encrypt. Right? So the key will encrypt the password, and now we can save the password right here. Let's test it. This is inside registration. Alright, so we're gonna save a new one. This will be Jack Sparrow. How do you spell Sparrow? Jack Sparrow. His email is no. More appropriate would be like rum at blackpearlspicy.com. Right? And the password, it's going to be encrypted. His password is going to be Bacardi with capital B. Create account. So new account created for Jack Sparrow. Okay. Let's see now. There we go. Jack Sparrow, rum, and we. Oh, I think it didn't save it. Huh? It says 0 bytes. I don't think it worked. And you know why? Because I didn't save it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna delete Jack Sparrow and refresh the page. Nope, not you. Just create account again. Okay, and hopefully now we're going to have our. There you go, Jack Sparrow, BLOB 50. Encrypted. We click it, we have to open it. It's a bin, .bin, binary. It's a binary code. So we open it with Notepad, for example, okay? And there you go. That is Bacardi, capital B, encrypted. Right? Now, so we already have quite a few. These guys, they don't have. Okay, do you remember what was that for the Simpson? Doe. Okay. So we're gonna get rid of these ones. Okay, so this one is Doe, and this one is Bacardi, capital B. Right? So now, the next step will be to create a login page. And the login page is going to make the connection file that we made before, the validation. Download the username, download the password, decrypt the password, and compare if it matches. So that, I mean, that's a lot of security there, right? We are using encryption for the password. We have to download them from the database. We have to decrypt them. We have to check if they match. And then if everything matches, we create a session, and you're inside the system. Once you're inside the system, now you can start adding your passwords, deleting your passwords, and because this system is about saving passwords, right? So now we're gonna, after we're logged in, we can add passwords, delete passwords, edit passwords. And that's the next step. Thank you for watching.